Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix can't connect to this network Wi-Fi error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, go to the Wi-Fi network you are getting the error with. Right click over it and click on Forget. Once you do that, scan for the Wi-Fi networks again and this time try to connect with the network and hopefully you won't get the error further. However, if you still get the error, proceed ahead with the next method. Search for ncpa.cpl and click on it. From here, go to the properties of your Wi-Fi. Then click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. From here, make sure Obtain IP address automatically is checkmarked and Obtain DNS server address automatically is also checkmarked and save the change. In the next method, search for Device Manager and open it. From here, expand Network Adapters. Right click over your Wi-Fi network. Then click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and then select this option. Here you may get more Wi-Fi network drivers. Simply try all of them and see the one that works for you. However, after doing this also, if you still continue to get the error, come back here again. Expand the network adapters. Right click over your Wi-Fi network card and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall and simply restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, the Wi-Fi drivers will get automatically installed. Once installed, try to connect to the network and see if you still get the error or not. In the next method, search for command prompt. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type in the following commands: ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Then type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Once you do this, it will ask you to restart your computer. Close the CMD window and restart your computer. If this is also not working, try to reset your Wi-Fi router and see if the issue gets resolved or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.